Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to take a moment to leave a quick note. This is as in relation to what it is that we are experiencing on a day-to-day basis rather, in terms of all the difficulties and trials that we face. Now, I want everybody, especially those who I spoke to this morning, to know this. You are never alone. No matter what is going on in your life, you are never alone. You have God Almighty, and He has people praying for you. I just want those persons who I spoke to be encouraged. Remember to lean and rely on the Lord through what you're going through. Also, use the resources that, I have on my website. I have free books, I have prayers, I have declarations. And one of the things that I have focused on for many years, and I think it's just the Lord leading me to do this and has led me to do this, is on prayers and declaration. So there are many declarations on the website on revthechristianlife.wordpress.com. Books are there. As I said, prayers are there, declarations are there, articles are there. You can go read, subscribe, and be encouraged. I work a full-time job, so I'm not able to minister the way I would like to every day and reach out to people that come in my mind every day. But I do take that time in the morning when I can to reach out to some of you who come up in my mind, and I feel led to send you a prayer or feel led to send your declaration. I know there are many other people who are going through struggles. So please, I invite you, use the resources. That is my ministry. That is how I'm able and free and unhindered to minister to you and to share a word to you. And if it is that you're going through something and you need somebody to talk to, like many times I need somebody to talk to, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out to me via Facebook, by the messenger. You can ask me to pray about something. You can leave a message on my timeline, a quick note, and I will pray about that for you. Right? So as I said, feel free to access the resources. They are there. Feel free to share with your friends. They are free of cost, and that is the way that I minister right now until the Lord leads me into something different, or He takes this ministry international and it's funded and I can sit all day and minister to everybody. But I want to let you know those resources are there, prayers are there, the books are there. It is all there for your use. So if you're going through some difficulty right now, if it is like me, you have people who have died and you're grieving, or if it is you have lost a job, if it is that you have people fighting you on the job, if it is that you have friends who are enemies, no matter what it is that you're going through, feel free to use the resources. Be encouraged. I just released Be Encouraged. I just released the Poet's Prayer. Go ahead, access them. You can sit and read that whole book of prayer and declarations in one sitting, and believe me, it will affect your life. Right? I hold nothing back that the Lord has given me. Some of these books, I've had them for years, and now is the season that the Lord has me releasing them. That is the only instance that I hold these back. But once they are released, they are free to you, and where I can post them online just to fund the ministry, just so that I can continue writing these books. Please also feel free to go on Amazon and on lulu.com and buy those which are there for free. But I want to encourage you this morning to be encouraged. Right? That is my ministry. I encourage people, motivate people, and also teach people about spiritual warfare. So don't sit in the fight. Don't sit in the fight. Don't sit down and think that you're alone. Reach out. There are many of us who are here praying. Right? Sometimes I just want to share this testimony real quick. Yesterday morning, I was just in my car and I just started praying. Right. And by the time I came in, I was able to just minister to somebody. I was geared up. The Lord prepared me for that. And if you feel led wherever you are, in your car, at your office, in your home, to pray for people, do so. For many of us, that is the only ministry we are allowed to do in this season, or we have to do now. You don't have to be somebody on the stand, microphone, on the rostrum at church. Many people will never step foot in a church and still the Lord wants to reach them. So remember, minister to people, access the resources, share it, and be encouraged this morning. I know that was a lot, but God bless you.